In this video, I'm going to show you how I repaired my Siemens dishwasher. A few days ago, it suddenly stopped functioning correctly. The pump would run continuously as if it were trying to empty itself out even though it was already empty. It didn't matter whether the door was open or closed, or if I tried to reset it by killing the power from the circuit breaker. That drain pump would run non-stop as long as the power switch was on. Initially, I worried that this would be costly to diagnose and repair, so much so that I started looking at potential dishwasher replacements. However, I felt that if discarding this dishwasher was a possibility, might as well tear it down and see if there's anything inside that I can fix myself. A replacement at this level of quality would probably cost me in the ballpark of $1,000. A quick Google search suggested that a continuously running pump likely means that the anti-flood system was triggered. Apparently, somewhere inside there's a mechanical switch that can cause the pump to run in an override mode. So with that information, it was time to take it apart. The bottom of this dishwasher is one solid piece of plastic that acts as a tub to collect any leaking water. To get to the guts of this thing, you need to take apart the panels from the sides. There are two screws at the front, just inside of where the door closes, that secure the panels in place. Remove those screws and then the panel can pull right off. The anti-flood mechanism is behind the left side panel of the dishwasher. This blue junction here is the safety device. Clean water flows into the system through this part, but if the water inlet or the drainage system gets backed up, then the dirty water will start backfilling into the blue chamber, and it's going to move the mechanical floats inside. In this model, there's two electrical switches with buttons on the underside. If the button of either switch gets pressed, it's going to activate the drain pump override, which is what was causing my problem. The red rod extending to the tray on the bottom is connected to a float on the bottom tray that will move up if that bottom tray begins filling up with water due to a leak. That will also trigger the drain mechanism. The picture I'm showing you right now is what it looked like after I cleaned it. When I first opened up the panel, the blue part was completely covered on the inside with black goo. Unfortunately, I didn't think I would be making a YouTube video about this in that moment, so I didn't get a good picture of the dirty parts. That red float in the center was stuck in a position where it was covered in the black goo and it was touching the electrical switch button. So that's why my drain pump was continuously running. I also tried to clean out the transparent clear white flow regulator on the left. A certain section of it was really tight and impossible to clean out with a wire brush. That part is supposed to act as a dirt trap and also allow air bubbles to escape. It also prevents dirty water from getting siphoned back into the dishwasher. I think it's a little bit silly that they didn't make that part of it serviceable. So I got all those parts assembled as clean as I could. I reassembled the tubing, and now the dishwasher runs great. If you found this video to be useful, give it a like and give me some feedback in the comments. Have a great day.